To fix the rainbow zigzag mouse cursor bug, here are some solutions. First, you can press Alt+Tab to switch to another window, and then Alt+Tab again to return to C. Restart the game or your computer, and in the game menu, you can repeatedly press the escape key and click the options menu until it opens, and then close the menu with the X button. And also try plugging in the controller and play until the match ends. Then restart the game. You can also launch with Vulkan. Start the game using the Vulkan API option in the game launcher, and then disable overlays like Discord overlay and close unnecessary programs. You can also try using the Steam or Ubisoft Connect to verify the game's files and make sure that your graphics driver cards and windows are up to date, and change between the full screen and borderless window mode in the game settings. And also make sure that in the options you have enabled the mouse or the keyboard option. You can also try closing the game, and after closing before Ubisoft Connect Cloud Save opens, or you can also open your task manager and close the application by right-clicking on it and then tap on End Task and then relaunch it. It might fix the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.